Good morning, YouTube friends. So these are the sweet potatoes that my mama have planted last July. Though the mother plant where it was planted, we can no longer find sweet potatoes there, but the vines were crawling around and then they produce, I think, significant amount of um, tubers beneath here. So we're going to find it now. I've really waited and reserved some of the spots where I saw some big tubers for my mother to like harvest herself when she arrived. But it seems like she's not interested. I don't know. And I told her to have a video filming here. It's really hard, my friends, if even your family themselves are not supportive to you doing. It's a struggle every day. You have to tell them morning and evening, encourage them to support, but still they're really quite passive, and that's why I'm not aiming to make money here in my YouTube channel. I'm just happy to document whatever I have here, every activity that I'm sharing with you, just to document that I have something to look back when I get old. But aiming to make money here, that's beyond the heaven, beyond the stars. It's not possible. Though a good friend of mine that I treated as a brother really helped me to get monetized with my channel. As I look at my Google AdSense, don't have anything there. Google Analytics don't have anything there. So now I just focus to enjoy myself, to like, yeah, enjoy something here and the documentation, whatever I have. I have to do this because I need to gather the leaves so that I can use it for like organic fertilizer, rich in nitrogen with molasses to be fermented for around 30 days. So that's why I need to harvest this one. Supposed to be I have to harvest this all, but I waited my mother to arrive from vacation to experience doing some harvest, but I have called her up, but she never responded. My wife got migraine. That's another one that I have to talk to help me and support me here, but all of them were passive. Anyway, you cannot convince people unless you have something to show to them, like kind of achievement. And here, I cannot show them any achievement here. It's not that easy. So other things they might be supportive, but in this activity, I didn't see them do it. I understand. It's okay. And so let's begin doing the harvest of the sweet potato, YouTube friends. So I put something like on that spots where I knew there's something big there. So I think it's visible on the screen. So let's go and start. Yeah. See that one? This one is, I know it's big. Mm, sturdy, my friend. Oh, there's another one. There's a little guy sitting. Good size. Look at that. Look at that. YouTube friends. It's a good size we've got here. There's another one. Well, not bad. I thought we only have one here. Actually, we got two. Oh, there's another one. Another one. I thought I could only get three. I'll get one. But actually, we're able to have three here. Right into the spot. I don't know if there's still more. Maybe no more. But, right here. I think we have another one here. Quite small. But I think this one here, somehow. Oh, I thought we only had one. But there's another. Wow. This is the thing I've told you. It's your friends. That's why I'm eager to harvest this now, even yesterday, another day, because this variety of sweet potato can easily get ripe. So you cannot store them on the ground for longer times. You have to harvest them early. See, it's already rotten. I don't know if the other one is still okay. But we'll see. I hope it's still okay. It might crack. Yeah. It is. It cracked the bottom part, but it's not that big anymore. Now let's move on to the next spot. Okay. So, oh, I've reserved this for Mama to arrive, so I did not harvest. So what happened now? It's already rotten. We can still eat it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. But I was so excited to let my mother know about her planting that we have something to get what we have now. And today she's not even interested to. I'm not blaming here anyone, but I'm just frustrated. Like, just frustrated. That's why, my friends. I'm not just struggling with my depression, with some other things. Many things inside that also add up to the challenges that I have in my life. You can get rid of them. They're your family. You have to stick together whatever happens. But it's a struggle because maybe on other things. There's not good. Okay. I investigated already yesterday. My mom thought she could not get anything here. She don't know how to find it. That's why I'm here to guide and help. But she's not interested anymore. So nothing I can do with that. So I'll show you one here. There's another one. Sweet potato. Ah, okay. Oh, well, still a good size, maybe. Not really that big. Could be eaten. Now let's move to the next spots that I already. Okay, there. Yeah, I'm not sure. My friends. We have several here, but others started to get rot. So, only two started to get rot. And I think this one here is also rotten. Yeah, for sure. I'm excited to harvest this one with my mom today, supposedly. Now I'm the only one harvesting. It seems like all are rotting. Oh, disgusting. Really, really disgusting. Those are the tubers that I reserved for her to get once my mother arrived. No avail. So hopefully with your friends here we will get something. I already spotted some here, but I don't know if we still have them. Ow! Out of thorns. So my position will be this. Would be better, right? I don't know if it's visible in the camera. You see that? Oh, good that I'm not cracking this one here. Look at that. So I think we can find more here. Ow! I hate this plant. A lot of thorns. Just wondering why this plant grows here. I have another one here. And it's deep as I did not expect. It's deeper than I expect. Right now, you two friends, I have to work on weekends because this is my only available time to be able to manage or do something in the garden. Because, wow, I think I'd like to share this one on camera. Yeah, this one, you two friends. Wow, it's like the size of a baseball ball. Yeah, and so far we've got a few good ones here. Oh, sigh of disappointment. Good that my phone is not broken. That's the advantage when you work alone. The equipment is not that nice. And no matter how you talk to them to help you, they don't care. It's okay. That's life. I'm already in this mess. Wow, there's another one here. I think this one is pretty dang big. Wow. I have to adjust this camera. It's so difficult. I think that one better. Oh, look at that, my friends. That's why this pot here tumbled down, but I never put any seriousness about it. So you see, this is a vine that is not originally planted but just crawl in here. Have to use the leaves to use some organic fertilizer. You see that one? I'm pretty sure this is pretty dang big. Wow. I don't want to crack this fella. Okay, snap in here. I think the biggest one this morning. Yeah. Nice and sweet. I never see that. So I am surprised myself as well because the other spots I already like planted something so that I cannot forget. But this one is really surprising to me. I did not expect to have this, to see this tubers here. But yeah, we got it. And I think we can have more tubers here. Oh, now I realize that this this is the best position of the camera, my friends. I did not realize that. Okay, we have here. This started to get rot. So my one hand is holding the camera, and the other hand is finding the tubers. So this is really like, look at that. YouTube friends, I think this is deeper. Not really that deep. Look at that. And as much as possible, I don't need the tools to pull them out, because my other hand is not available for using the tools. My other hand is busy. Yeah, this one, my friends. I think this is deeper than I expected, but I'll try to pull this out without using any tools. We have another one here. It's 22 minutes already. We got this. I might crack the bottom part. Hope not. I might need some help here. I cracked the bottom. I told you. Because here, this original soil that mixed with gravel. And we have another one here. See that? I don't know. We have more here. Yeah. Actually, the sweet potato, this variety is really fast in growing tubers, but they're into places that is not friendly. So, what I'm going to do now, I need to do this. It's really difficult to do all the things by yourself. Good that I did not crack the bottom. But it's not that big. But still, sweet potato. So we have another one here. Easy to get. Oh, it's not a bad morning at all. Though we have some disappointing response from the crew in the garden. But this sweet potato never disappoints us. I think I let the others grow into bigger sizes. I think we don't have much anymore here. Chickens are like scratching everywhere. And I knew the character of this variety of sweet potato. They love into crawling to dry places, and then there they... Oh, I spotted something here. See that? It's a sweet potato. I think somebody step in here and crack, and now I got it. This wild eggplants, we never eat this one in Philippines, but here in Thailand it's really popular. And this one has a lot of thorns in it all throughout the trunk, from the base to the top. I think we have another one here. I don't know how small or big, but we have to get it. Oh, actually it's 3 of them. Hoping that we will not crack. Oh, the screen of my phone is somewhat scratched. I have to use this phone for teaching as well. Yeah, my iPad is too old, so I have to use my phone. Sending the... Wow, it's a good size, you know. And so we've got 3 small ones and 1 average. Yeah, we almost feel this small basin here. I don't know if we have something here inside my pot. Yeah, we got it here. I have to use my pot because I have to plant again. So some of the vines were crawling here, and I cannot help but pull them all out. This sweet potato is as stubborn as me. 30 minutes already, my friends. But I know there's still something here. Just like I want surprises. Yeah, that one. I thought it's small, but actually it's a good size. Yeah. See? small ones. Have to reserve that for the next one. Wow, we have another one here. Wow, two. See, two. Ay, basa pa na magmaay gabi eh. May mangunod kayo sa punuan. Kuha og dahon kayo kung himog fertilizer. Ah. Ah. Dugko man. Di man mangunod diha kay wala man sapat na ngunod ng dagko. Mga spots nga ganahan niya. Okay, I need help. But I have to fix this one first. I wanted to go back. I need to get this 32 minutes. But this is actual harvest, my friend. It's not some kind of fake videos like many others out there. But people love to watch fake videos. They can even help it be in the trend. But real videos, kind of boring. I think I got all. It's still small. Maybe I'll come back and you can still find some, but for the time being, we've got this tubers. Like we almost feel to the top. The small basin that we have here. Maybe 2-3 kilo of sweet potato. Dami kong nire-reserve na laman na malaki ay na hinihintay para sa iyo. Hindi mo pa hinukay agad pero lanta na. Oh, it scares me. What was that? Okay, dear friends, it's a beautiful morning here. We have some nice sizes of sweet potato, though the small ones are quite a lot. But I don't bother about it. It's all sweet potatoes. So thank you for watching and for subscribing to YouTube channel. Please do share to your friends, and we will be glad if we can help this channel grow in a bigger community. So see you once again next vlog. Bye.